First, the crippling lockdowns imposed by many states. And maximum states have imposed lockdowns, which are seeing high number of cases. Now, what does a lockdown do? One, a lockdown in a way inhibits people from going out and getting vaccinated because people don't want to step out of their homes. One, because of the rising coronavirus cases, people are a bit hesitant that if we go for vaccination and wait in long queues, we may catch the infection. And also this confusion that, can you go and get yourself vaccinated while there is a lockdown? While many states have said, like I remember Uttar Pradesh saying that no, you can go and please get yourself vaccinated even during lockdown. Nobody's going to stop you. But a clearer message from many states is not being there. So this, the center feels, is the major factor in the number of vaccinations falling in the last week of April as well as this month. Another major reason is also that the vaccination staff, maybe, which was put on duty, the dedicated duty on vaccination in hospitals, is also getting diverted towards the corona management care in hospitals because of the large number of rising admissions. So the Prime Minister had impressed upon the states that can we have a dedicated staff for vaccination. Maybe that is not happening as expected. Another major factor, I think, is also what some states are saying, the shortage of vaccines. Now, is there a shortage? The center denies it, but many states are saying there is a shortage, especially in their urban areas, where people who are coming for jabs have to be turned away because there are simply not that many vaccines in stock. Now, the center blames it on states, saying you're not doing proper resource management. You should be putting more supply of vaccines in urban areas where there is more demand. But the vaccines are being sent to rural areas also, and center feels there is less demand in rural areas. So maybe a better equitable distribution of the resources in terms of vaccines should be done. Around 3.5 crore people have registered on the CoWIN app since April 28th in the 18 to 44 age group for the vaccines. But only around 8.5 lakh people have so far got the jabs. That is just about 2% of the people who have registered. So this is also a major setback so far for the exercise from 18 to 44 because we were expecting the vaccination numbers to increase based on this age group being offered vaccination, but there is simply no stock coming because for 18 to 44 states and private hospitals need to procure vaccines directly from the manufacturers. And the manufacturers, as we know, Serum and Bharat Biotech, have limited capacities. It's a real struggle to find yourself a slot. This is the reason because 3.5 crore people are trying for a slot, to find a slot, and you are not alone. Government is hoping that the vaccination supply, especially for the 18 to 44 age group from the private manufacturers, should ease up coming May 15 to May 20th. More supplies could start coming in. We also have states like Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh who are trying to import vaccines from abroad in large numbers because they know that the capacity of the local manufacturers, the two manufacturers, is limited. Though Serum Institute has said that it will provide 11 crore vaccines to states and private hospitals over the next few months, but it will not come together. It will take some time to come. So the center is hoping that the situation will ease up from June, end of May and June, but there is an urgent need to increase vaccinations. The sharp fall in the vaccination numbers is a major concern for the center because if vaccination doesn't happen with the speed which the center envisions and with the projection that we will have around 45 crore vaccines in stock by the month of July, we need to also administer these vaccines so that there is no wastage and people are encouraged even during the lockdown to come and take the vaccine.